Good morning guys, check out these views. Check it out guys, what a beautiful morning in the mountains. It's just gone 20 past 6. I've had about 2 hours sleep. To be honest, I absolutely love waking up here, but I have to admit I never get a good night's sleep. Whoop. Plenty wild swimming planned for today. At the minute I'm just taking it all in. Especially Eskdale up behind us there. All the shadows on them ridges, it's just all gorgeous. What a beautiful valley to wake up in it. This is what wild camping's all about. So there we are, all packed up from last night's wild camp. It's 7:20 now. We've had a slow morning because we've got barely any sleep. Just give you a quick view of the campsite. As you can see, we've left no trace. The grass is a bit flattened here. All I've got to do for that is give it a little tuft up before I can. I'll be back to normal. Yeah, whenever you go anywhere guys, please leave no trace or don't come out at all. Pay to go to a campsite. So next on the itinerary today is a couple of hidden gems that I've seen, well I've only seen on the map, and I've got a sneaking suspicion that they're going to be lovely waterfalls that no one else has been to yet. So that's where we're going now, straight over there. Still a bit swampy across here. Follow me, follow the leader. I don't always make the best choices, but at least you get to see me make them first. There's some big bugs up here. Keep attaching to your legs, so keep an eye out. Check it out guys, waterfall scramble, here we come. Look at that valley in the background. Right guys, so I've decided to climb this rock face up in the Lake District in hopes I'll get a view that no one else can see. Fuck it, you gotta take some risk if you want to find the best spots. I've had my eye on this infinity pool for about 3 years. I've always known where it was on the map from somewhere I spotted it. It's took us a while to get to it. It's a very difficult place to get to. But wow, absolutely lush, big enough for one, and perfect if you're looking for a secluded, wild swimming spot to have a day. Check it out, guys, absolute bliss in the outdoors in the Lake District again. Remember, to have fun in life you've got to take risks, so get yourself outdoors, get stuck in, be authentic, express yourself, and don't forget, life is always supposed to be your adventure, so start living like it. Oh, check it out, guys, another absolutely beautiful one. Who doesn't love a good infinity pool? We've just had a lush wild swim and a couple of absolutely phenomenal hidden gems with waterfalls. Oh, do you want to go across there? No, that'll be boggy. We'll continue this way. Yeah, sorry, I was saying we've had a beautiful wild swim and some beautiful hidden gems. Actual hidden gems. I know most of the waterfalls and infinity pools in the Lake District aren't very secret anymore. Well, these ones are. Haven't seen anyone around. Absolutely stunning. Had them all to ourselves. Anyways, now on our way back down to Eskdale Valley, which has some of the most beautiful waterfalls and swimming spots that I've ever seen. Stay tuned to see them. We'll be swimming in all of them today. If you want to know the locations to any of the waterfalls, wild swimming spots you see today, check out my locations playlist where I've got free step-by-step guides to 6 of the absolute best wild swimming spots in Eskdale. So we're just coming up here on my way back to the valley to what I've heard on a different video called the Samson Stones. Now they aren't named on the map, not the map I've gotten anyways, the Lake District one. But either way, they're pretty impressive, pretty cool.
Like at a river. That's cool.
Now this was actually going to be an entirely different video, doing Esk Falls and all the waterfalls down Eskdale Valley, but unfortunately my old GoPro Hero 8, which has been reliable for years for us, I didn't realise until I got home, but at 20-30 minutes of footage is just cut out or completely frozen where the picture freezes and it's audio only. So I've decided just to hide a few clips in at the end here, a few bits of the footage I was able to salvage, just to show you how amazing Esk Falls is at the top of Eskdale Valley.
little bit deep. But you swim through it and then it's super shallow. Okay. See how it gets shallower? Come on, then out you come. Through the waterfall. Woo! Now we just got to swim back.
There. We're better now.
So it's Saturday afternoon now, and what a swim we've just had in Esk Falls. We've just had an absolutely beautiful time. Now we're heading down to meet Now we're heading down to meet the rest of the family. They're just, I think they said they're halfway up the River Esk, way before Tongue Pot, because obviously poor lass is walking up with a baby by herself, she can't go too far. And we're just gonna have a nice little chill there, nice little float about in the beautiful water. You getting pushed?
Yeah, but it just randomly went so deep.
I'll get a video underneath lock so we can see what it looks like. Three, two, one, big jump! Yeah! 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Well done. Oh, look at the lovely baby. Lovely girl. Are you lovely? You lovely girl. Hiya.
Oh.
Hiya, baby. Gorgeous girl. Mwah. Love you. Come on, no floating butt videos this time.
The video is.
Go on. You've got to look majestic. Oh man, did a good job, didn't it? Wait, you did a good job. Big job. Yeah, well done.
Yes!
Have a nice time, baby. Hey, what are you doing? You having fun? Having fun running about.
This is the campsite that the rest of the family stayed at while we were wild camping. It's called Fisher Ground Campsite. It's a really good campsite. I believe it was £40 a night for the extra large tent, which is ours, which you can see on screen here. It's pretty big. This campsite is located in Eskdale, pretty close to Eskdale Valley, which is why we chose it. In a great location, and it's very family friendly. I would recommend it to anyone. I hope you've enjoyed this video and the absolutely stunning scenery of the Lake District. I never get bored of this place. It's my favourite place to be in the UK. So if you want to see more videos like this, check out my locations and get outdoors playlist for showcases and step-by-step guides to some of the most beautiful natural wonders of the Lake District. And lastly, always remember, life was always supposed to be your personal adventure. So express yourself, be authentic, get outdoors and make the most of it.